The best cheap drones prove that drone flying and drone photography don't have to be expensive pursuits. While there are plenty of dazzling expensive drones out there, they tend to be geared towards pro broadcasters and film crews. For the casual consumers and for kids and novice users, there are a lot of inexpensive drones that are easy to fly, and more importantly, are a lot of fun too. Other things to think about include max flight time. While in the real world, flight times will generally be lower than advertised on the box, comparing drones' stated flight times side by side will give you an idea which one has the overall better battery life. It's also vital to check drone weight. In most territories, 250 grams is the legal minimum weight beyond which a drone needs to be registered, so be aware that getting a heavier drone comes with some paperwork. We have listed the top 5 budget drones and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products with the best prices mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Holystone HS720E. When you're looking at investing in a drone, the cheaper DJI drones are well worth investing, but you'll soon see that their prices rise when bought with the clearly more efficient Fly More bundles. Here the HS720E is hard to find without a spare battery and a case, so offers a better friendly wallet alternative which can capture 4K. With firmly built folding arms and brushless motors and featuring built-in battery meter LEDs, there is a lot to offer on here. The camera is good quality, Sony lens with physical dampening in the case and really good electronic image stabilization, though sadly no gimbal. Recording to the microSD cards are good. The system also features optical flow, GPS and altitude sensors which it uses to hover with the precision you'd expect, as well as the reassurance of return to home, though it's worth checking the HS175D for a more portable alternative. Number 4. Razer Tello. If you're looking for a small but exceedingly well-equipped selfie-type drone, then consider this remarkable little contender from Razer, which is equipped with a lot of DJI source tech. It stays in the air for 13 minutes at a time, comes with digital image stabilization, shoots video in pretty decent 720p, snaps 5-megapixel stills, and hovers on the spot without the aid of GPS. The Tello weighs just 2.8 ounces and measures 3.85 inches at its widest point. In other words, it's small enough to tuck in a jacket pocket despite not being foldable like the DJI Mavic range. Although ostensibly designed for indoor flying, this little craft is also adapted flying outdoors as long as not too windy. To fly it, simply launch the Tello app on your phone, select hand launch, throw it in the air and steer it using the virtual joysticks on the screen. Everything the camera sees is streamed to the phone, and because it has digital stabilization, the footage it shoots is surprisingly smooth. The app also comes with few pre-programmed easy shots, including circle and droning. The Tello has a 100-meter range and is capable of performing aerobatic stunts. You can also program this drone to perform a series of maneuvers with no real-time input from the pilot. Simply drag a series of named color-coded blocks into a specific order and the Tello will follow the commands. This is a great educational feature because it teaches kids the basics of robotics in an easy and fun way. At just $100, this little sky star is a steal. Number 3. Holystone HS175D. The Holystone HS175D's advanced video features and excellent battery life make it an excellent choice for videographers and hobbyists alike. Holystone's HS175D is an incredible deal for anyone looking for a cheap drone. This is a drone that can record video in 4K, which means your videos will look extremely clean and professional from your first flight. It comes bundled with 2 batteries, which gives it a combined flight time of 46 minutes, and a number of smart features that make using it a lot easier. It supports auto return, which is helpful if you lose track of your drone, but we're more impressed by its Follow Me and Circle Flight modes. Follow Me mode allows you to set the drone to follow your movements, which it can detect because it's paired to your phone. Using this feature is helpful if you'd like the drone to record footage of you while you bike, skateboard, or perform other outdoor activities. Circle Fly mode allows you to automatically fly the drone around a specific point, which will let you get a 360-degree view of a person or thing from an elevated angle. Both of these features are incredibly useful tools for videographers and require no manual control, so you'll end up with perfect results every time. The HS175D comes bundled with a traveling case with slots for the drone and its included batteries. The drone's wings fold inwards, which make the HS175D's footprint really small. If you don't mind spending a little extra on your cheap drone, this one from Holystone is our top recommendation. Number 2. DJI Mini SE. The Mini SE is a budget drone. If you disagree, remember DJI also supplies high-end broadcast equipment. While orders of magnitude cheaper, the features available on the Mini SE are not that different. A 3-axis stabilized gimbal produces smooth, rich, cinematic-looking 2.7K video and an ergonomic radio remote control which links to your phone via cable for very low latency. The SE has been purposely designed to offer a cheap DJI drone, merging the features of the similar Mavic Mini and the Mini 2 with a new low price. The drone sports GPS for automatic hover, return to home, and some social-friendly quick shots, as well as a landing sensor so it can touch down gently itself. It's also just under the registration rate for those who hate paperwork. We love that DJI are always thinking like photographers, adding functions like RAW and exposure bracketing, as well as taking advantage of the aerial location with assorted panoramas. The 2.7K video is excellent, but if you need true 4K, check out the newer DJI Mini 2. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini. If you want to shoot video or photos and your budget is an absolute maximum of $400, then stop here now and forget everything else because this is the drone for you. DJI's Mavic Mini is unquestionably the best high-quality camera carrying drone for the masses. It weighs a floaty 8.78 ounces fully loaded, which is a fraction shy of needing to register it with the FAA. Size-wise, this drone is so small that it can be hidden under an iPhone and easily tucked into a jacket pocket. Its low weight, small size, and flexible front propeller arms also give it a better chance of surviving a crash. The DJI Mavic Mini's camera shoots 180p video at up to 60 frames per second and crisp 2.7K at up to 30 fps. Its 12-megapixel stills, meanwhile, are nicely detailed. Despite the size, the craft is surprisingly stable in flight and fast and nimble when flown in sport mode. It will easily fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge and up to 4 kilometers away. Granted, one thing this drone doesn't have is obstacle avoidance, but we don't think that this is a deal breaker if common sense prevails. If you've always hankered after a top quality camera drone and have 1 cent shy of $400 to spend, then this is far and away the best model for you. It's remarkably stable and reliable in flight, a dawdle to control, and it shoots stunningly good cinematic footage to boot. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.